One of the stitch options available on the Singer Promise sewing machine is the satin stitch, which is located on the stitch dial after the zigzag stitches. We're going to turn the dial and select the satin stitch. I'm going to be sewing my satin stitch on felt, so I've got 2 pieces of felt and I've also got some stabiliser. It is quite important that you use that. The satin stitch is often used for edging the material and making it look quite decorative. We're going to pop the material under the foot. You can buy a special foot, open front foot, which allows you to see the stitching easier, but we haven't got one, so we're just going to use this. So we're going to lower the foot and we want to position it so it's going to stitch on the top material and then switch over to the bottom material. We're going to use the hand dial to lower the needle, and we're just going to do a couple of stitches by hand just to make sure that the needle is in the right place. When you're happy with the placement, we're just going to use the foot plate, apply the pressure and sew the satin stitch. And that's how easy it is to use your Singer Promise sewing machine and sew a satin stitch. If you are enjoying my videos on the Singer Promise sewing machine, then please check out the other videos that I have listed in the playlist below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again on my next video.